Stomach 35 is located just below your kneecap towards the outside of your leg. Many people find it easier to locate and activate stomach 35 when they're sitting down. To locate stomach 35 on your left leg, find the bottom of your kneecap. Right over here. Notice there's a tendon coming down here. Move to the left and find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is stomach 35. Activate stomach 35 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now locate and activate stomach 35 on your right leg.